Welcome to the final part of our three-part mini-series on the agent's role for you as a buyer. Now, we've already covered the first viewings, the second viewings, and in this final blog we're going to be discussing the offer process, the etiquette involved, and how to get the property of your dreams simply and as stress-free as possible. Welcome to this week's edition of 2 Minute Tuesday with Hondon Valley Homes. So, if you've got this far, we've obviously had great first viewings, even better second viewings, and you've found your dream villa. All that's required now is to make the offer. Now, we have clients from all over the world, and the offer process in many of these countries can be subtly different to how we operate here in Spain. So in this blog, I'm going to discuss the correct way to make an offer and to secure your dream home in the sun. Now, it's not often that you'll make the offer in the presence of the homeowner themselves. Normally we've completed the second viewing and we will decamp to a local cafe or restaurant or to our offices here in Hondon to discuss how best to proceed further. As an agent, we've got an incredibly good idea of the true value of the house. We've sat down with the owner during the listing process and we've discussed the listing price, if there's any room for negotiation. We're also aware of the vendor's personal situation, and so we're uniquely positioned to be able to guide the vendor and the buyer about the true value of the property. As a company policy, we don't inflate the asking price of a villa to allow room for negotiation. We choose instead to sit down with the owner and walk them through the costs associated with selling their villa. We explain to them the taxes, the fees, the legal fees, the cost of bringing their paperwork up to date. This is a great benefit for the vendor, as they can use these figures when taking into account any offer received for the property. In many cases, the vendors themselves have informed us of their minimum price, and they've asked us to decline offers below that level. We always find that it's best to make a sensible, reasonable offer as your opening gambit. You don't want to insult the owner of the property that you're looking to purchase from. Your agent will be able to guide you through this. When you've made your offer, we will call the owners and we will qualify the offer. We will tell the vendor your offer status, i.e., do you need a mortgage? Do you need to sell first to fund the purchase? Are you a cash buyer? And when do you want to complete? And if there are any provisions with the offer. If the vendor declines your offer, the ball is back in your court and you need to reassess your offer, and we will go back to the owner with a new and improved offer if you think that's the way to go. If the offer is accepted, then fantastic news. Many congratulations. You're on your way to owning your dream home in the sun. So what happens next? Well, if you tune in next week, we're going to talk about the next steps after the offer has been accepted. Lawyers, contracts, deposits, the serious stuff. So if you have any questions or queries for us, please feel free to drop me a line on the details below, and you could be featured on a future episode of 2 Minute Tuesday. Please subscribe if you wish to keep updated when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching 2 Minute Tuesday with Hondon Valley Homes.